Hello, my dear student. Myself, Dr. Subhash Sahu, Associate Professor, Department of Dravigon. In the continuation of the e-learning process, today we are going to discuss about the plant Bidang. I think you have heard about this plant Bidang. Botanically, this is known as Embellia ribes. It belongs to Myrcinaceae family. In Hindi, it is known as Bidang, and in English, it is known as Embellia. In almost all the classical granthas, Charaka Samhita, Sushruta Samhita, Ashtamrita, and in almost in all the Nighantus, the plant's Bidanga is described as Krimigna Dravya. Acharya Charaka has mentioned it is the best Krimigna Dravya. Bidangam Krimignanam Sreshtam. Mentioned in the Charaka Samhita Sutrastan 25th chapter. Sushruta recommend to use this plant with Yasti Madhu to increase the body strength and to prevent the aging process. Recently, there is a alkaloid that is ambelin found in this plant, which is used for the treatment of the prostate cancer, which is resistant to the radiation therapy. The fruit of this plant is used in so many herbomineral preparation, herbal preparation to treat the ringworm and tapeworm and other skin diseases. Its fruit is purgative in nature. Fresh juice is cooling, diuretic, and laxative in nature. But this plant is considered as vulnerable, or it is near about threatened in some states like Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. It is known in different names in different states. Like in Assam, it is known as Bidang, in Bengali Bidang, Gujarati Baya Bidang, in Kannada Bayu Bilang, like that. All the synonyms or all the vernacular names are shown in the slide. Then synonyms. It is known as Amogha. Amogha means the plant act as a medicine which is not never failures in the treatment of any diseases. It act without failure. Chitra. Chitra means the drug which has different color seeds. Chitra Tandula. The seeds of this plant is spotted or dotted with another color. Then Jantu Nasana. Jantu Nasana, Jantu means bacteria, worms, anything. Nasana means destroy. The drug which destroys worms is known as Jantu Nasana. Koirela. Koirela means this plant is mainly available or found in Kerala state. Then Krimigna. It destroys worms, that's why it is known as Krimigna. Tandula. Tandula, this plant is mainly destroyed the threadworms. Bella. Bella means the drug which moves in the abdomen or GI tract, digestive system, to cure the disease. So it is known as Bella. The other meaning of Bella is this plant promotes the elimination of worms from the body. Then Bidang. Bidang means to correct or to rectify or to cure. This means the drug which cures many diseases of the abdomen, specifically abdomen like Agnimandya, Shula, Advan, and Vivendra. That's why it is known as Bidang. Then classical categorizations. Almost in all the Samhitas and Nigandhus mentioned this plant. In Charaka Samhita, it is mentioned in Triptigna, Kushtagna, Krimigna, and Sirivirichan Mahakasaya. In Sushruta Samhita and Ashtanga Hridaya, it is mentioned in Surasadi and Pipaladi Gana. In Dhanvantari Nigantu, the plant is mentioned under Satapushpadi Varga. Madanpan mentioned it in Suntyadi Varga. Vedam Nigantu in Aushadhi Varga. Raj Nigantu in Pipaladi Varga. And Bhaprakash Nigantu in Haritakyadi Varga. Distribution. This plant is mainly found in the specific region of India. Like it is mainly found in the outer Himalayan to Western Ghats at the elevation of 1500 meters. And it is mainly distributed in the moist deciduous forest of Western Ghat of South India, Jammu Kashmir, Arunachal Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Assam, and Maharashtra. And it is also found in the country like Sri Lanka, Singapore, and the southern part of the China. And morphology, it is a small tree, or we can say it is a large shrub with long branches, slender, flexible, terete with long internodes, and the bark is filled with lots of lenticels. Then leaves. The leaves are coriaceous, 5 to 9 centimeter long and 2 to 4 centimeter wide. It is elliptical or elliptic lanceolate in shape. The margin are entire. It is shining on the upper part and silvery in the beneath part. The whole surface is covered with scattered minute reddish sunken gland. The base is rounded. There is a short petiole up to 6 to 16 mm long, and it is glabrous in nature. Flowers. Flowers is mainly pentamorous. There are lots of flowers. It is small. Calyx is about 1 to 2.5 mm long. 5 petals. It is greenish yellow in color. There are also 5 stamens, which are smaller than the petals. Then fruits. The fruits are globular in nature, brownish black in color. Its size is 2 to 4 mm in diameter. Warty surfaces with a beak-like projection at apex. It is very short. There is a thin pedicel or persistent calyx with 3 or 5 sepals. Pericarp is brittle and it enclosed a single seed. The lower photograph shows the fresh fruit and the upper photograph shows the mature or dry fruits. Then phenology. This plant is mainly blossom in the month of March to April. After that, in the month of June to October, the fruit arises. The Ayurvedic properties are Rasapanchak of this plant. It has Laghu, Ruksha and Tikshna Guna, Katu Kasaya Ras, Katu Vipak, Ushna Virya, and it has Krimigna Prabha. Very few drugs has mentioned as Prabhavi Dravya. Vidanga is one of them. Vidanga act due to its Prabhava. Like Arjuna as Hridya, Shiris as Visagna, Krimi, Vidanga as Krimigna. Then chemical constituent. There are so many alkaloids found from the fruits of this plant. Ambelin, quercetal, tannin, then histamines, all are isolated from the fruit. The new derivative of ambelin like idoambelin and bromoambelin are also isolated from the fruit of the Veda. The other constituents are embolic acid, fatty ingredients, racinoids, and volatile oil. Then action of the plants. This plant is mainly act as Krimigna Dravya, enthelmintic. It has a Deepan property, Deepan action, Visagna or antidote, Rochana, it increase the taste, Amahara, or it improves the digestion, Medohar, anti-obesity, Pramehara, anti-diabetic. Its dosa karma is Kaphavata Samak. Dhatu karma it is Medohar. In Mala karma it is purgative in nature or viration properties. Then pharmacological action. The pharmacological action of this plant is it is nematocidal, estrogenic, hypoglycemic, enthelmintic, antibiotic, antitubercular, anti-inflammation, anti-inflammatory, hypotensive, diuretic, hepatoprotective, anti-cancerous, immunostimulant, and it has anti-fertility action. An indication it used mainly so many diseases, mainly the diseases of the creamy, skin diseases, abdominal diseases, and Kaphavata's diseases. Like it is used in creamy danta, danta shula, agnimandya, aruchi, भ्रांति, अजीर्ण, छर्दी, उदरशूल, गुल्म, आध्मान, कुष्ठ, विबंध, अर्श, कामला, प्लीहा, श्वास, काश, प्रमेह, मेदोरोग, हृदरोग, प्रतिशय, कफवात विकार, रक्त विकार, शिरोरोग, etc. So many diseases. And mainly it is used in the diseases of creamy and other skin diseases. Then therapeutic indications. The first therapeutic indication is creamy or worm infestation. As I have told earlier, this is the best drug for creamy or worms. As Charaka told, Bidangam creamy granum srestum. The seed of bidang, seed of potash and palas should be powdered and taken with sugar to treat creamy. Worm decoction and bidang and aragvat also used to treat creamy. It is also used in the creamy hrudroga, heart disease caused by worm. Bidanga and kushta. Kushta is not a disease. Kushta is a drug, or in Hindi it is known as kutha. Bidanga and kutha mixed with urine, and it can be taken in Krimija Hrudroga. Then kushta. Here kushta is a disease, or it is a skin disease. Bidanga, triphala, and pipali powder are taken with honey to cure kushta, kremi, sinus, and fistula in ano. Bhagandar. That is Bhagandar. Fistula in ano means Bhagandar. The other indications are or other uses. It is used as a rasayan dravya. Bidanga, Valatag, and Sunthi should be given with ghee and honey to prevent old age, or it slow down the aging process, and also it prevent from many diseases. Then Ardhava Vedak, hemicrania, Vidanga, Krishna til, black til, taken in equal quantity and pounded together, and it is used as snuff or nasya to alleviate hemicrania. Then Kamala or jaundice, Bidanga and Pipili are used as nasya and anjan to treat jaundice. An official part use dose and formulation. Mainly fruit is used for medicinal purpose. Sometimes roots and leaf are also used. It is mainly used in the form of powder. The dose is 5 to 10 gram. And the formulation of the bidang. Bidanga rista, bidangadi loha, avya ristam, lohasap, draksha rista, dasamula rista, chandraprabha vati, kankana vati, yogaraj gugul, paisar gugul, panchanimba churna, navayasa churna, narayan churna, and anutel. Then substitution and adulteration. The Amelia ripes is the original source of bidanga, but there are two other species, that is Amelia robusta or Amelia tesgerium, and other is Amelia equitipetalum. These are also sold in the name of bidang, but Amelia robusta, which is mainly sold in the market in the name of bidanga veda, and it is the substitute of original bidanga. And M. africana is known to be used as adulterant. Points to be remembered. As I have told earlier, bidanga is the drug of choice for krimi, or bidangam krimi gnanam srestam. Amelia robusta is the substitute of Amelia ripes, and M. africana is mainly used as the adulterant of bidang. And another new thing is, as per Bhaprakash Nighantu, the gender of bidanga is pumlinga or male, and klivalinga. Both linga, pullinga and klivalinga is the gender of bidanga. As shown in the sloka, Ponsi klive bidangam syat, krivigno jantunasanam, tandulascha tatha vellam amogha chitra tandulaha, bidangam katu tiksnosnam, ruksham vannikaram laghu, shula adhvana udara slasma krumi vata vivandhanu. Thank you.